लोग का mindset is more or less the same on what we want to do or speak about.
This crew was made and then I got a call. और मुझे सीधा धमकी आई है.
My mom and dad, they always had a thing कि like music में कितना कमाएगी तो भी.
In every show we say, don't see us, listen to what we are saying.
Yeah.
We have set the stage for something really, really amazing. Okay, there are bands that entertain you and at the same time move you. And I think that's extremely powerful. Let me introduce to you a female-led crew who do more than just singing. They speak their truth. They rap about real things like mental health, body image, freedom and identity. And not only in Hindi, Marathi, Tamil, Kannada and English. They are called Wild Wild Women. Please clap for yourselves. Okay, so it's India's first female hip hop collective from Mumbai. They rap, they dance, and even paint the streets with their art. Please clap for yourselves. That's quite a lot. Jai baat. Okay, so they are bold, they're raw, they're fearless, and they are wild, wild women. So hi, now finally it's my turn. I'm RJ Akriti and I'm all set and ready to dive into their lives, their journey, their madness, their craziness and everything possible and impossible. We were having a whole lot of chat behind the scene and I want to know all of it. Are we ready?
Are you ready?
Are you ready? And let's thank Epitome as well. Let's thank Epitome as well for giving us this platform, this pretty space to speak. We are all well lit, hydrated, and ready to roll. So on that note, let's go. Sabse pehle, I want to know, how did you guys come together? Who is the founder? Who is the co-founder? How did you get together? How did it happen? How did the madness, wildness, everything came together? And how was it when you started off?
I can start from me and Kranti Nari having dosa on a street. We met for the first time. And we just finished a jam that happens every Sunday in Andheri called as Marol Art Village. So there's one evening I saw her story on Instagram that she's painting. I joined her for painting that wall. And then after painting that wall, we were just sitting on the street having a dosa after a jam where the jam was full of boys. And we were the only 2 or maybe 3 girls just standing there listening and trying to get our space and do our verses. And while having the dosa, Kranti is like, dude, लड़कियाँ ही नहीं थे यार. I was like, हाँ अरे लड़कियाँ भी सुनने वाला कोई नहीं है. अपन एक लड़की वाला cypher करते हैं क्या? So it started from there. We planned to do an all-women cypher in Andheri the next Sunday, like the consecutive next Sunday. And that cypher was called as Wild Wild Cypher. Around 10 girls came there, which of 5 girls that are sitting here are Wild Wild Women. It's been 4 years and this is the result of that.
It was like, not really, this Wild Wild Women, like as a crew, it was never planned. It, like, you know, I guess more than 10 girls were there. More than 10 girls.
Yeah, there were 12 girls and there was a dancer also, Flora.
There were Flora and then
There were break dancers too. And in the crew, let me just say that we also have 2 break dancers, 1 mural artist and a skateboarder too. So we usually perform in saris, and the time when we met, actually they were all new for me. I only know Kranti Nari that time, and I was thinking कि जाना चाहिए कि नहीं जाना चाहिए. So my best friend, she told me, come on, you're just sitting around घर पे क्या जाके आजा. And I went, I'm like, dude, so many female rappers, I cannot believe. Like, and when I saw Mahila, I'm like, she was so tiny, like a small girl.
small. She was 19 at that time.
And I saw Pratika, I was like, dude, what an energy she got.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah. And Preeti, I'm like, I told her on her face, like, you look so pretty. So, I mean, like, तभी हम लोग किसी को लगा नहीं था करके हम ऐसे crew बनने वाले हैं. We thought of making a track called I Do It for Hip Hop, a cypher track. We made that track, and that is when, we started getting shows. And Wild Wild Women became a family now. It's been more than 4.5 years.
Yeah, I think people were really fascinated by the idea. The cypher was just done because we were like, "Arey, hum log mile hi hai. Now let's just, why don't we just put a song out?" Because we see a lot of guys putting like tracks out जिसमें लड़के लोग ऐसे back to back अपने verses बोल रहे हैं. So we're like, let's do one. एक video बना के डाल देंगे Women's Day पे क्या ही होने वाला, like let's just do something. Everyone who started checking it out suddenly was like, अरे ये क्या है, तुम लोग साथ में और काम क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो, अरे क्रू बनाओ यार, like just stick together. It's so rare कि तुम लोग 5 लड़कियां at the time 6 actually. 6 of us were together in one video and verses back to back. And people are like, kya flavor hai, kya variety hai. There was so much happening in one place that it was, you're like, okay, chalo, why not?
So can I safely say that you guys were very well received and
Yeah,
supported? Can
yeah.
I say that?
Actually, the backstory, there is a different backstory that came very personally towards me. But before this, I'll add another point that hip hop was not only about rappers. The industry made it only about the rappers, that you get that shine as a rap artist. But what Wild Wild Women did differently was we included all the elements of hip hop, which is we had breaking, we had graffiti artists, and then we had obviously the rappers. We tried to get some DJ, but I think people wanted to do it individually. But we still are in search of a DJ, like a good person who knows to scratch. We know a very small young girl who is I think 11. Her name is Arohi, and she does DJing. So she also is in the talks that she'll be part of us. And then we had a beatboxer, like Jackie used to beatbox. So I think we always wanted to think of it as inclusive of all the elements of hip hop and not just one thing, ki haan rap karte aur khatam. It was never that.
So when you guys were talking to people, meeting people, and presenting yourself, your team, and things you want to do, how well were you received? Was the entire team, the hip hop team, the first female, all female crew, were you received with a lot of enthusiasm and come on, let's do it? Or it was like अभी ये सब इकट्ठा हुई हैं, थोड़े दिन इनका चलेगा, ऐसा क्या था?
The second
ये औरतें, with women we all end up hearing this very typical thing, अरे ये चार औरतें लड़ मड़ के निकल लेंगी,
हाँ, औरतें थोड़ी ना काम कर पाएंगे एक साथ.
हाँ, ये इनका थोड़े दिन का ऐसे बच करके निकले.
पहले तो this crew was made and then I got a call. सुबह कुछ 6-7 बजे मुझे कॉल आया और मुझे सीधा धमकी आई है कि तू अपने आप को समझती क्या है, तू कौन है ये ग्रुप बनाने वाली, तू खुद तो सीखी नहीं है अभी तक, तो तुझे क्या लगता है तू क्या 10 दिन आएगी पॉप सीन में और तू क्या बदल देगी सब कुछ. लिटरली these words. Yeah, it's not even कि what are you thinking, what's up with you, like nothing. तू कौन है भाई, तुझे खुद को रैप नहीं आता, तू 2 साल से सीख रही है और तुझे क्या लगता है तू बहुत तोड़ू है, तू बनाई कैसे एक ग्रुप.
Did you know who that person was?
Yeah, of course, like a friend, someone, like, and I was like very confused. It's to, the life of hip hop was to make a community. And then when we make one, there was a big backlash. And there were statements like, अरे लड़की लोग का तो हॉबी रहता है, 4 दिन ये लोग हॉबी जैसा करेंगे, फिर तो इनका शादी होने ही वाला है, तो ये क्या ही लेके जाएंगे. That's why there's no existence of a crew like this. And in my knowledge, there were crews, but because of so much of complexity in the scene and so much of outside, conversation and infiltration, these groups also broke. There was a hip hop breaking group earlier, all female, but it didn't last because there was so much toxicity around this whole collective as a woman that it didn't work out or whatever. And then वही ना कि लड़कियां तो gossip करके ये टूटेंगी, इनको तो कुछ करना भी नहीं पड़ेगा, तो खुद ही झगड़ के निकलेंगी, ये वाला attitude. These were very big statements. And I didn't know how to even share this out. I was like कि ये share करके मतलब नहीं है. शायद मैंने प्रीति को ही बोला था कि ऐसा हुआ है. प्रीति और मैं बोले छोड़ो हटा सबको, हम अपना करते हैं. Wow. Because then there was this energy that is so special to Wild Wild Women, like who you see here, that I could not find elsewhere. Individually, each one of us could not see that space. So that's how it was.
How do you guys jam together and unjam together?
Unjam?
Yeah, unjam.
By unjam, I mean when you are working together, how's it? What's because it's a group.
Yeah.
So I'm sure as much as there must be a lot of liberty to speak your mind, say your things and go ahead, but also each of you have your individual space and boundaries up also to make sure that you stick together. I think that's very important.
Yeah,
At the
so
same
we do, the beauty of Wild Wild Women I think is कि हम लोग का mindset is more or less the same on what we want to do or speak about. So because we kind of share that common goal, it's easier for us to put something together lyrically. Like we know what ideas we want to talk about. We know we talk about identity, we know we talk about self-love, about body positivity, about just encouraging other women to feel or live freely like us. So because of that kind of ideology that is shared between us, it becomes easier for us to come down to topics or what we want to write about. We
Yeah.
all live so far from each other that our struggles by the time we come together to meet, हाँ, ऐसे कहीं से आके मैं वस्से से आई हूँ, मैं भांडुप से, कैसे तो हम लोग पहुंच जाते हैं and we make it work. Obviously, I won't say everything's hunky dory. It's not all happiness all the time because we are also very different individuals. To be honest, हम लोग
That is the
बहुत
interesting
ही
part.
हम लोग बहुत ही अलग म्यूजिक सीन से हैं. Like all of us are not like predominantly just hip hop heads or have been listening to hip hop forever. Like I'm a metalhead. Jackie has been doing and going to a lot of the Afro and those kind of fringes of the genre mixed with other nice, beautiful music. Reggae, there's always been like a different involvement in everyone's life depending on उन्होंने कभी start किया or when they started visiting shows or started writing music. So as individuals also, because of that, we are very different people. But I think what we put above everything else is the actual purpose and the reason we're doing this, because that's one thing people just cannot believe, right? कि अरे ये लड़ फड़ के ये सब हो के
मैंने भी सुना
धुल
हुआ है।
जाएंगे कहीं नहीं, हाँ, धुल जाएंगे, like it'll just wash away on it by itself after
और
some
mostly
time.
होता भी है.
हाँ,
So
होता
this
है.
is amazing. This is really amazing.
Yeah.
Why the name
Yeah.
Wild Wild Women? ये ऐसे
जब हम लोग मरोल में मिले ना, तो when that energy was collective and then back to back people are giving their verses and all that, it's like कितना wild है रे सब लोग इधर कि तो ये बोलते हैं हाँ wild नहीं है, wild है. Actually this part of emotion is very very critical in our jams also, that we are as people very sensitive and emotional कि कुछ भी होता है ना उसको इतना emotion से express करते हैं. इसका जैकी का story telling तो सुनना ही चाहिए, उसका रोज कुछ ना कुछ होता है. बोलते इस पे गाना लिखते हैं.
No, it's like, you know, really for me, it's like, you know, we are in a relationship.
Yeah.
And we are very possessive. तू मेरे को मिल रही क्यों नहीं है? Then, you know, when we are not together, we fight. But the moment we meet, it's no, that's love.
लड़का लोग का तो स्पेस नहीं बनता. Okay, so coming back to the word wild again. Wildest, craziest gig so far. Tell me one जिस पे स्टेज पे उतरने के बाद you all maybe probably huddled to say कि बहन ये हुआ क्या? Like that.
सारे शोज में ऐसा नहीं होता है, कोई शोज में होता है, पर अभी पर्सनली सब लोग के अलग अलग फेवरेट्स है.
पौंडीचेरी आई वुड से लाइक मतलब पौंडीचेरी में हम लोग को ना बहुत कुछ स्ट्रगल हुआ है हम लोग के साथ. वी हैव रीच्ड द वेन्यू, हमें खाना नहीं मिल रहा है. एंड वी वर लाइक यू नो ट्रैवलिंग बैक टू बैक. चेन्नई से वी वेंट टू कोच्चि से पौंडीचेरी वी केम. हम पौंडीचेरी पहुंचे, हम खाना पूछ रहे, खाना दे ही नहीं रही है. न्यू ईयर के दिन खाना नहीं मिल रहा है. एंड उसके बाद में वी आर वेटिंग, कॉलिंग अ मैनेजर, ब्ला ब्ला. देन दे आर लाइक साउंड चेक करना है. वी आर ऑन द स्टेज बट वी आर स्टैंडिंग, बट लोगों किसी और का है पीछे. तो वो डीजे वाला बोलते करके ना कि इन लोग तुम्हारा मजा ले रहे हैं, तुम्हें जानबूझ के नीचे डाल रहे हैं. मैं बोली देखते ना परफॉर्मेंस के टाइम पे कौन किसको नीचे डालते हैं. तो द माइक्स दे गेव अस, वो बहुत आवाज कर रहा था, बहुत फीडिंग हो रहा था. तो ना प्रतिका को वो बोलते करके ना, मैडम तुम बराबर से नहीं पकड़ रहे हो माइक. मैं बोली तू इसको बोल रहा है, इसने शी इज द वन हु शोड मी हाउ टू होल्ड अ माइक. तो आई वाज लाइक इसको तो मैं दिखाऊंगी. एंड व्हेन वी लाइक यू नो वी वेंट टू रूम, फटाफट 1 घंटे में हम लोग ने कपड़ा पहना और हमने ही खाना ऑर्डर कर लिया और हमने खा लिया. स्टेज में जैसे गए
हट पड़े तुम्हारा खाना, हमको मांगते ही नहीं, हम मंगाएंगे खाएंगे.
एग्जैक्टली मंगाया हम लोगों ने. स्टेज में जैसे कि ना हम परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, उतने में जो बंदा ने इसको बोला ना माइक बराबर पकड़ने नहीं आता है, मेरा वर्स है उधर खड़ा था, उसके पास गए, उसके कंधे पे हाथ रख के उसको देख के रैप.
Wild women.
वो बहुत वाइल्ड शो था यार.
wild show
बहुत
था.
ही वाइल्ड शो था.
Wow. Do you think the indie scene right now gives women enough space?
आई थिंक हम अभी उस फेज में है इंडी सीन के कि यू नो अभी रुक नहीं रहे कोई. नो वन इज लाइक वेटिंग टू यार हमको चांस दो. आई थिंक स्पेशली वुमेन आर जस्ट डूइंग इट. दे आर क्यूरेटिंग, दे आर ऑन लाइनअप्स, दे आर taking their own space, they're reclaiming their power. We are not waiting, we are not you know asking or having to अरे ले लो हमको, अगर नहीं ले रहे हम हमारा कर लेंगे. वैसे
we do our own thing.
If you see the journey, how do you feel about that now? I mean, in terms of being, you know, given your space, the start of it and as of now.
It has evolved 100%.
है ना?
When we started off, we didn't have space. Very honestly, like I don't think that's because nothing like that ever existed. लोगों को समझ में नहीं आता था कि इसको अगर प्रोग्राम करना है तो कहाँ करें. So it started with I think us doing our own cypher. And then our first gig was actually her sister's wedding. So
Okay, I want to know this story.
हम लोग एक दिन ऐसे बैठे थे मेरे घर पे और उसने बोला मेरी बहन की शादी हो रही है. मैं बोला चल सब लोग जाते हैं.
पहले 2 जन का प्लान था, फिर बोले क्यों नहीं सब लोग यार, और सब लोग चले गए. We just had one song. We had one song. We were 6 of us. And then it was like a flash mob. People didn't know that something like that is going to happen. It's not even Sangeet. It's nothing. It's just random. You start.
Yeah. So, and the problem was like, you know, we were 5 girls and he had 3 mics, जिसमें से एक mic चल भी नहीं रहा था. 2 mics, 6 लड़कियां थे हम तभी. There's one more female rapper, D-Math, who was there before. So she was also there and all are wearing sari. I'm wearing gagra and all. Yeah, and we are on the stage. Of course, अभी वो शादी में पब्लिक क्या सोचेंगे कि लाइक अरे इन लोग तो अभी करेंगे, इन लोग नाचेंगे, ये
या गाना
करेंगे.
गाएंगे,
और
cover
मैंने
करेंगे.
वो टाइम पे मैंने ऐसे चेक यो DJ play the beat.
Are you serious? They must be like,
People were stunned. People didn't know how to react. They're not smiling, nothing. They're just.
And literally, like, you know, no, I wanted that to happen because, like, my mom and dad, they always had a thing कि, like, music में कितना कमाएगी तो भी. But उनको नहीं पता अभी मेरी बहन से ज़्यादा कमाती हूँ मैं. So yeah, I mean, when we were like performing, like from small kids से लेके बड़े लोग से लेके old people, aunties, uncle, all are like, you know, screaming. And my mom from the stage, she's looking and she's like, you know, ऐसा कर रही है वो. तो मैं देख रही हूँ कि मेरी माँ भी enjoy कर रही है. My mom, dad, they never entertain any of my friends. The moment we done with the performance, हम नीचे आए, मेरी मम्मी स्टेज से चल के आई, इन सबको हक करके गाल में पप्पी दी. मैं बोली मेरी माँ पप्पी दी, मेरे को नहीं दिया अभी तक.
मम्मी को पप्पी देना आता है? ये तो मुझे पता ही नहीं. मुझे भी चप्पल उठाने का ही पता था.
But I was very happy. उसके बाद से like, you know, things have totally changed. Then we performed at Kranti Nari's शादी.
Damn, that was the last place we performed.
The last place where we performed.
शादी and then
Yeah.
No, but there was also an addition to her मम्मी का शादी का context was कि जब ये Wild Wild Women के cypher पे आ रही थी, तो she had told, I remember she was telling कि यार मेरे घर पे ना actually allowed नहीं है, but मैं try करूँगी कि मैं आ रही हूँ कि नहीं. मतलब वो लोग को बता मत कि ऐसा scene है, कोई मिला तो ऐसा. So I think they were very closed about this fact that she is rapping. So they were very upset about it कि अरे ये job छोड़ के सब करेगी ऐसा. तो बोली कि किसी को बोल मत, मैं कोशिश करूँगी. इसका नंबर मिलने के मेरे को 3 ऐसे रैंडम लोगों को कॉल करना पड़ा था क्योंकि ये मतलब ऐसे गायब हो गई थी.
अभी गायब
करती हूँ सबको.
अभी भाई के शादी का स्पॉन्सर है हमारा.
Okay, so what do you think? What's one stereotype about women in music that you love destroying on stage?
अरे तुम लोग तो कमर्शियल म्यूजिक करते हो ना आजकल. ये सब अभी हुआ हमारा गाड़ी में डिस्कशन कि तुम लोग वाइल्ड वाइल्ड वुमेन तो आजकल सिर्फ कमर्शियल ही हो गए हो. तुम सिर्फ पैसे कमाने के लिए करते हो. यू डोंट डू इट फॉर द कम्युनिटी.
You should be happy someone from the community is making money बाबा. कोई आके वापस दे
तुम लोग को भी हम कमा के देते चाहिए दो. मेनली तो बॉडी यार. बॉडी इज द बिगेस्ट स्टीरियोटाइप्स कि how can such big women do this? Who is allowing them to do this?
Yes, I get it.
कि पोस्टर गर्ल बनाने के चक्कर में क्या क्या नहीं हो जाता था.
बट ये तो मेरे घर पे अभी भी होता है कि हाँ सब तो ठीक है पर पतले हो जाओ यार सब लोग. मैं बोली तुम लोग सुन लो हमारे गाने हैं व्हाट वी आर डोंट जस्ट सी अस इवन इन एवरी शो वी से डोंट सी अस लिसन टू व्हाट वी आर.
Guys, you guys are gorgeous. Please see us.
हाँ
Please
ऊपर
see
से
each one of you. The power, the energy.
I
the
was going to
madness
say that next.
you
ऊपर से
bring
जब
on
दिखते हैं हम लोग
stage.
everyone's like what?
It will take them for 10 next janams to at least have that kind of energy, power, and confidence each one of you have. Okay, how excited are you for your first performance at Southside Story?
Oh, I'm super kicked for this one because we're gonna bring all our flavors and languages to the north side from the south side.
Oh, that energy, and I'll be right there. Okay, what does performing at Southside Story mean to you as wild women as a brand?
I would say like we are getting to show all our different languages and I'm really excited because the places where I go, किस को समझ में नहीं आता कि मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि मैं तमिल में बोल रही हूँ. एंड ये तो साउथ साइड है भाई. सो आई एम सो हैप्पी एंड एक्साइटेड कि लाइक हम हमारा कल्चर रिप्रेजेंट करने वाले हैं वहाँ पर. एंड पीपल आर गोना बी लाइक बू कौन है इन लोग. सो या इट्स अ प्लेजर लाइक यू नो वी आर सुपर एक्साइटेड फॉर दैट.
उसको स्टाइल में बोल दो ना सेंड करते हुए.
गायब कर दूंगी.
Okay, so how are you preparing for Southside Story rehearsals and things and sets? Abhi, are you guys like started?
We just jammed and made 3 new songs. So let's
Are you
hope
breaking
that
it on Southside Story?
we are planning to. So
Okay,
we are going to do exclusive set at Southside Story.
Yeah.
Be ready.
अभी jam room book हो गया है.
What is one thing you are looking forward for Southside Story?
Playing in Delhi again?
Playing in Delhi again, yeah.
For fans जिन्होंने अभी तक तुम्हें परफॉर्म करते नहीं देखा, वाइल्ड वाइल्ड वुमेन को नहीं देखा, वो जब देखेंगे तो क्या देखेंगे?
वो लोग ये देखेंगे, वो देखेंगे जो कभी नहीं देखा है, जो कभी नहीं सोचा है, जो कभी देखने भी नहीं मिलेगा. जो यहाँ है वो कहीं भी नहीं है. So Wild Wild Women is an experience, not just like an entertainment or a group of girls. It's something that will teach you, will make you think before you go to sleep. So you better don't miss it.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a rapid fire, quick.
Okay.
One snack that has to be in your green room at SSS. क्या लेकर
Watermelon
जाना है?
Watermelon juice.
And fries.
Watermelon.
What would be the title of your SS experience if it were a movie?
Wild Wild Woman.
Wild Wild Woman. और कुछ नहीं थे.
If you had 10 seconds to hype the SSS stage, what would you scream?
Wild Wild Woman.
And that's how we do it.
Wow, कुछ भी बोलना है. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start.
Wild Wild Woman. And that's how we do it.
Who in the band is most excited or nervous? नहीं excited you. Nervous about playing at SSS.
Nobody
Nervous.
Maybe SSS is nervous about us.
Yeah. साउथ साइड तो वो जब भी मैंने सुना ना मैं तभी खुश हो गई कि आई हैव सीन सो मेनी ऑफ माय नोन आर्टिस्ट लाइक यू नो दे आर परफॉर्मिंग देयर एंड आई वाज लाइक साउथ साइड में है और हमें क्यों नहीं मिल रहा है. एंड ये साल जैसे हमारे मैनेजर ने बोला कि लाइक साउथ साइडर्स कम, आई एम लाइक डूड वी आर डूइंग इट, हम उनको फ्लेवर्स देंगे, तुम नहीं मत बोलना. डायरेक्ट इन. सो आई एम वेरी मच एक्साइटेड फॉर साउथ साइड.
Yeah, I think she was waiting for that
For
one.
Yeah.
Southside Story. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, one thing you must do right after Southside Story performance.
Hug.
Hugs. Done. Have like a very, very good meal after that.
Yeah.
Okay, one word you want the crowd to remember after your set.
Wild Wild Woman. And do this also.
And this.
And this.
That's a logo.
जैसे ही करना है ये दोनों
It's W and a bird flying.
W.
It's a symbol of unity.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that was Wild Wild Women. And thank you so much, guys, for your time, for your energy, inspiration, motivation, and everything fun and madness possible.
Yeah.
I'm so delighted. It's great to have this kind of energy and a collective energy. I mean, I think I'm gonna stay very, very energetically hydrated for a while.
Watermelon juice.
Yes. Thanks, a big thanks to Akriti for this interview. It was so amazing to have you
Amazing.
as
You
the
also
interviewer.
feel like on Wild Wild Woman.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Akriti, and thank you, Red FM 93.5.
Bajata